Since mid-November, we've been in snow mode. It seems like almost every week or every couple of weeks we've had an event or a close call or near miss or potential for ice or snow. So we start our planning for winter weather back in August and September, making sure our equipment is up and running, our spreaders are okay, checking our salt supply, work with fleet to get any trucks that may be down if we can, to get parts and get equipment back up and running, so we make sure we're fully stocked with trucks and spreaders and plows, and then also motor graders, which we'll be using later on in this event to push snow off the streets. We divide the city up into 5 areas. It's easier to manage that way. We break that into routes, so we have a crew coordinator for each of those routes that's out on the streets and looking at conditions, and then making the call as to when we do our initial salt, when do we push.
Randy, I'm leaving the yard. I'm headed to Route 17. I mean, you get some enjoyment out of knowing that you're helping people. We try to help every pedestrian or every citizen motorist that we can. For instance, this right up here, we're probably going to get involved in this right here in a minute. They're probably going to call me and want me, since I'm over here, to put salt down on this. But I believe this police officer's stuck too, so we'll have to give him some assistance. Are you stuck? Are you stuck too?
Yeah, I just need to get them out of here.
All right, back up. I'm going to shoot some salt under you.
Know that city employees are working as hard as they can. We take it serious, our responsibility as DOT, to try to get the streets cleared for folks so they can get to and from work and do the things that they need to do.
Let's put it in gear. It's real easy to see if you can move. Thank you. Alright, I got them free off at Broad Street.
The way we do our plan is by starting with major city streets, and then once those are cleared, and when I say clear, I mean clear to the pavement, then we will step down to collector streets, which are usually neighborhood or commercial collector streets. And then once those are clear, again, to the pavement, then we'll step down to residential streets. It's important for us to get those major routes and then step down so that folks, once they get out of their neighborhoods, have somewhere to go. And so our encouragement to people is, if you don't have to be out, then stay indoors, but know that crews using that priority system are going to work as hard and as fast as they can to get those roads clear.